guys? Here in my What's up guys? Here in my dance studio. I'm gonna learn the Charleston today. Mihran here is gonna help me out. We're gonna take it step by step.
All you're gonna do, step forward with the right leg, just go step and touch, step back, touch.
Alright, so pretty basic, just a few steps. So you step forward with the right, left, and then left, right.
Go right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right.
So that was the first part of the move, the step. And now we're gonna go into the second part of the move, the twist.
8, go out, in, out, in, out, in, twist, twist.
Out, in, out, in, out, in. What the fuck, Josh? Alright guys, just remember one thing though, well a lot of things, but just remember this thing on top of the other lot of things that you have to remember. Just fucking watch me around.
Just a reminder, you're gonna twist out on the end count, close in on 1, and then just repeat it.
Alright, so we got the step down, we got the twist down. Now we're gonna put the two together and we're gonna make the Charleston.
7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Repeat that.
I'm starting with the right, so the left comes. Fuck. Alright. And twist. And out. Yes. And in. Yeah. And back. Go back. You might not see the progress, but there's progress. And in and up and back and back and back, front, boom, boom. Oh, whoo. Holy shit! Not perfect, but that's a lot better when I started. All right, Mihran's gonna teach us how to double it up now. I don't know what it means, but he's gonna tell us right now.
You'll go twist, stay here, double it up. Double, double, and then go back, double, double, okay? So that's a little trick you could play with, which is pretty simple.
It's really hard to remember to twist the foot and pick up the other one at the same time. So close, team. We are so fucking close. Let's make Mihran proud. Up, up, double, back, back, double, up, double.
3 hours later.
What can I say? Party non-stop. We feel like nightclub kings.
Yes, Mihran! Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I had a great time learning from Mihran's tutorial. It's in the description if you guys want to check it out more. Leave a comment. I also want to hear your thoughts on any ideas that you might have for making things, just more fun to watch. The next one up is the reverse running man. So keep your eyes peeled. It's coming up in the next few days. And I will see you guys next time.